Hello guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to unbox one thing. Do you want to see? Come on. First, let me tell you something. And did you know that my channel subscribers are so high that I love it, and views are of nice. Thank you for watching it for full. Means I make the video big, but you watch it full. Thank you. Now let's start our unboxing. So let us start. So what is this? As you can see, let's open it. So let me remove this cover. So this is Airdopes. As you can see, here is written. You can use it very nicely. As you can see, this is Airdopes from Bo. I think this is black color, but you have other colors to select too. Let me open it. As you can see this is the instruction manual where you can know. This is the charging, white it is, and these are some extras if you lose or anything. This is the Airdopes box where you can keep, and this only you have to keep the charging. See, here is the charging you have to keep. This is Airdopes. So I put it on, it fitted nicely, and as you can see it fitted, and these are my new earrings as you can see. Do you like it? Send the message on the comment section. So if you want to know how much charging this is, how do you know? First, keep this Airdopes in the box. Then you will know the charging. See, it is coming, charging 80. It is interesting, right? In Realme Buds Q, they don't show charging, but this is some interesting. As you can see, this is a black box and these are black. And the charging has changed, it is 72 now. Names. So this is 172 year guarantee. The model name is 171. It comes with 1 year warranty. The price is under 2000. So as you can see, I have fitted the charging point into the boa, and you have to keep this so it will get charged. If you put charging, it may get 3 hours playback. The other features also you can see in this box, like truly wireless, IPX5 waterproof, pure bass sound, lightweight, up to 16 hours of combined play other side, CVC noise cancellation, Bluetooth 4.1, CSR 8635 chipset, audio technology, HD sound with super extra bass, connects two devices systematically. So this video is for unboxing. Let me share my other boa video. In other video, I'll share my experience how it was. So this video is both unboxing. So please like this video also. And I have uploaded many new videos. Have you seen it? Please see and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Sannidhi channel.